We have y is equal to x raised to power 5 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 3. These are two functions multiplying themselves. So this one is in the form of y is equal to uv. So if I want to find dy dx, that would be dy dx is equal to v du dx plus u dv dx. Yes, that is the formula to use for product rule. Product rule. So what is my v? This second is my v. So let me say y prime. Instead of writing dy dx, let me say y prime. It also means dy dx. So y prime is equal to 2x plus 1 raised to power 3. Then I differentiate u. So differentiating u, I will have multiplied by 5x raised to power 4. So differentiated that plus I'm going to write u x raised to power 5. That's 5 x raised to power 5. Then I'll differentiate this. Remember, if I want to differentiate this, I'm going to use the function of a function so that I will have multiplied by 3 into 2x plus 1 close bracket raised to power 3 minus 1, that's 2. Then I'll multiply it by differentiating inside. I will have 2. Now if you look at these two items, or what I call it, these two segments, how do you notice? You know that something is common. Okay, even before I get to that, let me simplify further. This I will have 5x4 into 2x plus 1 is to power 3. Then on this side I will have plus 2x raised to power 5. In fact, it's 6 because there's 3 here also. This is 6. This one is 6. 6x raised to power 5 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 2. Yes. Now I can factorize. What is common? X raised to power 4 is common, and 2x plus 1 raised to power 2 is common. So I'll factor them out. So I will have y prime is equal to x raised to power 4 and also 2x plus 1 raised to power 2 is also common. Then I'll open another bracket so that I'll bring the rest into this space. So if I remove x from 5x to the power 5, if I remove x to the power 4, I'll be left with 5, and I'll also be left with 2x plus 1 raised to power 1. That's what I'll be left with. On this other side here, if I remove x to the power 4, I'll be left with 6x and that's all. So let me close it now. I can simplify these items in the bracket. I can say y prime is equal to x raised to power 4 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 2. We have 5 times 2x, that's 10x plus 5 plus 6x. Yes. Um, from here, I'm going to have y prime is equal to x raised to power 4 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 2 into 16x x plus 5. Ladies and gentlemen, that's our final answer. That's our final answer. That's where we stop. It's as simple as that. As simple as that.